Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Zora Education Wali. I am 13 years old and student of Rehan School Online Academy Foundation Level Batch 6. Today I want to talk about the TEDx talk of Nabil Kadir. TEDx talk topic is what's make an idea. So let's start. In his TEDx talk, what makes an idea, Nabil Kadir draws from his experience working with more than 1,200 founders and entrepreneurs to articulate what distinguishes ideas that succeed from ones that fade. One that fade, he argues that ideas are not magically altered. Many people have ideas. What matters is how the idea is nurtured, grounded in purpose, and executed. His central message: a powerful idea is one that resonates, is rooted in real human problems, carried with empathy and backed up persistence and clarity. He, Here is how the talk unfolds expanded into a narrative form. Nabil opens by explaining his work, especially his foundation of Idea Kroka, Pakistan first entrepreneurship reality show as a bridge between investors and entrepreneurs. He frames a key question: what differentiates an idea with impact from a fleeting thought? He references exposure to many startup ideas, success and failures, giving him insight into pattern. Neville delves into several qualities and dimensions that make ideas meaningful. He emphasizes that ideas rooted in human experience, pain, discomfort, need are more compelling and enduring. If an idea addresses something people care about, it gets attention and support. The idea must have a clear why. It should have direction, not just novelty. You should be able to explain it simply, and simplicity helps others adopt it. He argues that many ideas die because people stop at the concept stage. To make an idea real, you need a roadmap, phases, resources, feedback loops, willingness to iterate. He points out that ideas will face rejection, criticism, and failure. Only those covered with steadfast resolve, willing to pivot, learn, survive, reach maturity. The YouTube description mentions ideas are not perfect, just real and persistence. Nabil does not shy away from difficulties. He he outlines common obstacles, believing believing that an idea must be perfect from the start. From the start. When in fact it often involves through flawed version, external skepticism, people dismissing new ideas or unrealistic or too out there, lack of the domain knowledge or context, ideas that do not understand the environment or user often fail. Neglecting execution in favor of the idea phase, many good ideas fail because no one follows through. He may share anecdotes, explicit or implied, from entrepreneurs he has met who had promising ideas but were headed these issues. Beyond strategy, Nabil discussed the philosophy. Some of his deeper reflections include hero's idea. He frames some ideas as hero's ideas, ones that are bold, carry purpose, that can inspire other. Ownership, the idea owner must feel responsibility for it, treating it like a child to grow, protect, and involve. Legacy was strength. He contrasts ideas built for short term trends versus ideas that I am for lasting change. Closing will issues a challenges of his listeners. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start with you have. Choose one idea you care enough about to act on. Take the first small step. Surround yourself with people who push you, critic, criticize you, but also believe in you. Keep refining, iterating, absorbing Facebook. Keep refining, iterating, absorbing feedback. Ideas are living, not static. He leaves the audience with the mutation that ideas may begin small, but with care and grit, they can grow into movement. Thank you very much.